Hey there, in today's video I want to talk about traffic, but not so much how to actually drive traffic to your offers, but more about the fundamentals of traffic and traffic generation. But before we move on to that, I would like to welcome you to my channel. My aim is to provide you with good quality, trustworthy information that will help you to succeed online as an affiliate marketer. And affiliate marketing is certainly my favourite way to make money online. Why? Well, quite simply, with affiliate marketing, you're promoting someone else's product and collecting a commission every time someone makes a sale. In my opinion, it's the best method to make money online, no matter what your level of experience. So I've created this channel to pass on useful information for new and struggling affiliates. One thing I do promise is that my videos will be short and to the point. I know your time is valuable, and for this reason I will not waffle on. I promise to make my videos short, but I will try and be helpful to those of you who are new or struggling to see success as an affiliate. So be sure to subscribe to my channel and keep your eye out for my latest videos. I try and post 2 new videos each week. To subscribe, simply hit the subscribe button and then you'll see a bell symbol. There will be 3 options to click. Make sure you click where it says all. This will turn on your notifications so YouTube will let you know whenever I post a new video. Okay, let's move on to today's topic. What affiliate marketers need to know about traffic. Okay, so first of all, what do we actually mean when we say traffic? Well, traffic is the people who come to your website. And never forget that when we talk about traffic, we're talking about real people we are trying to help. Now, one phrase you may have heard before is targeted traffic. So to try and simplify this, targeted traffic is someone who is ideal for your offer. So to give you a very basic example, you would not want to offer a cat owner a dog training course. Instead, you would want to offer them something related to cats. The point here is that when you drive traffic to one of your offers, you want that traffic to be targeted. This is people who are genuinely interested in whatever it is you're offering. You see, when you can get targeted traffic in front of a high converting offer that is of interest to them, then you will most likely get customers. And when you get customers, you make money. Now, another important point to remember is that not all traffic is equal. What I mean by this is that there are different levels of traffic. You have cold traffic, warm traffic, and hot traffic. Cold traffic refers to people who don't know you. Chances are they've never even heard of you, and this applies to the majority of people online. Warm traffic refers to people who may well have heard of you. It could be someone who has joined your email list or someone who follows you on social media. And finally, hot traffic. These are people who know, like and trust you. These are the people you've actually built a relationship with. From your point of view as an affiliate marketer, the better the quality of traffic you get to see your offers, then the more conversions you will make. Ultimately, what you're trying to achieve is a blend of quality and quantity. That is, you want to drive as much quality traffic as possible into your sales funnel. Okay, so moving on, there are 2 types of traffic you can utilize: free traffic and paid traffic. Although the term free traffic is a little loose, you will always pay for your traffic in some way. Free traffic is paid for with your time, and paid traffic is obviously paid for with your money. Time is a very valuable resource. We should all value our time, and for this reason, I would say all traffic comes at a cost, whether that cost be time or money. Now, hopefully, this video has given you a brief overview of traffic. Traffic is actually one of the 4 key elements you need to learn and apply to grow a profitable affiliate marketing business. You see, to be a successful affiliate, you need to follow a blueprint, and this basically means following 4 key steps. How important are these 4 steps? Well, I would say that every single successful affiliate marketer online is almost certainly following these 4 steps. So it's very important that you know what they are and how to apply them in your business. Now, if you look below this video in my description, you'll see a link which you can click and register for a free online training video where my partner, a hugely successful affiliate marketer, will reveal exactly what those 4 steps are and how you need to apply them to grow a profitable affiliate business. I strongly advise you to take a look at this video. It's free, there's no cost. All you need to do is click the link below and register for the free training video. By watching this free online video, you will know the 4 key steps you need to follow to become a successful affiliate. This information alone will save you hundreds, maybe even thousands of dollars in wasted money and many hours of wasted time. Now, if you enjoyed this video, please do me a favor and click the like button. Also, please do leave a comment below this video, as I do appreciate your feedback. And don't forget to look below and click the link and register for the free training video. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on your notifications by clicking the bell symbol and then clicking where it says all, so you'll be notified immediately when I release a new video. Thank you.